Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. And this quick tutorial will show you how to change blog post text sizes for mobile. Let's get started. Open your site in the Wix editor and click on the mobile icon right over here so that you can switch to your site's mobile view. Here, go to the Pages and Menu or the Menus and Pages button on the left and navigate to your blog post page. Click on your blog post element and then click on the Settings button that'll appear. Here on the Settings window, go to the Design tab. Then go to Text Style and Color. And here you can work on your texts by section. Say, for example, your paragraph. Click on this paragraph field, and here you can select your style, your font, as well as select your font size. You can simply adjust the slider over here or input a specific value you'd like your font size to be. And as you work on it, you'll also see the changes take effect right here. So go ahead and configure the settings here according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done, you can close this window, click on Save to save your changes, or Publish it to publish your changes on your live site as well. And basically, that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.